Hello friends, welcome to Coders Coding. In this video, we are going to see how the gradient colors will apply. There are three types of gradients. One is linear, another one radial gradient and conic gradient. Now we will see all these three together in a simple program. This is the structure of the HTML. Here I have to mention HTML. Inside the HTML, I have to take a head and a head. Inside the head, we always mention the title which is related to the our program. So title name I have to given here. So first we know very about the linear gradient, right? A linear gradient blends colors in a straight line from one side to another side. So a radial gradient straightens from center point and spreads outward in a circular or oval shape. So these three we will see. Conic, you know very well. Conic, a conic is a just like a cone type. It will be displayed. A conic gradient shows colors that rotate around a center point, like a slice and pipe or chart. Now we will see here. In this body, I have to take a three div tags, one for linear gradient, another for radial gradient, and last conic gradient. Now I will take the colors. I will take three div tags and I have to give these each and every div tag as a class. So why we use the class name? I want to apply the same properties, different divs or different elements. For that one I have to take the class. In this class name I have to consider box, linear, radial and conic. Now let's see, I will target the each and every div tag with their class name, then it will be apply the particular div. So commonly I have to give initially as a box. So box dot box and write the properties. So where I can write this dot box which is inside the style tag, right? So inside the style tag I have to give dot box. Why I have to mention dot here? Because it is a class name, so that you remember. And width I have to consider 300 pixel. Then all the three boxes I have to give the common properties. Okay, then height 200 pixel. Please observe carefully here what I am writing here. The properties color white, and you have to give many styles. Align items center. Then I have to write here display flex and border 2 pixel. And I save the file. If you want to save the file, you have to remember where you are going to save. Okay, yeah, I save the file in desktop, which is easily understandable purpose. Then open the file with when you save the file, it will be appears like a e color, e in the sense of explore. So now see three boxes will appear here. Now each and every div tag there is a one box, it is there, right? So this each and every block I have to target now and apply the styles. So I have to give a margin 7 pixel. What happened? You can see here you get some spaces. So one box to another box. Now give can I copy the linear class, and what is the class name? Linear. Then before that I have to give dot, so it's necessary because of it's a class name. So then I have to write the properties for a background. Then this is the syntax. I take as a notepad, plain notepad only. So if you write a notepad, there is no sessions. So definitely you have to remember what you are going to write here. So background colon linear gradient. Then I have to specify the to write. I have to give to write comma whatever colors you want, you can specify. I have to take a red, green, blue, so that will be appear here. See it here, it will be linearly, it will be apply the colors. Then I target the radial. So it's very simple. You can copy the radial and give dot before the radial, and open braces and curly braces machine should. And here you have to specify the same property like a background and linear gradient. Instead of linear, you have to give radial gradient. Yes, these are all are the properties only which will be already predefined. Okay, you no need to worry about all these things. Then coming to here, I have to give the specified the colors like pink, orange, gray. Then you check it, you get or not. Yes, you got it right. It will be like a what I told, radial gradients. A radial gradients start from a center point and spread outward in a circular or oval shape. Then now come to here, and now finally the pending one is conic gradients. So conic gradients is just like a appears like a cone type. In the cone type I have to specify same like a background, and here instead of a radial you have to write conic hyphen gradient. Then you have to specify within the parenthesis, you can specify the colors whatever you like it. I specified here like a blue, and which will give the unique values, right? So yellow and red I have to give, and coming to the browser, and just refresh it. You can see here apply the colors. If it's not apply in the sense of there you did some mistake, so it won't be considered. This class name should be same as well as a background. Here spelling is mistake, so backg is missing, so I can write that one. Now you can see here how beautiful it is. So if I want to this all these things like a parallel to display the horizontal, what I have to do, I have to take all these three tags inside the one more div tag, which we call it as a container tag. And this container tag, I'm going to target this container tag and apply the specific properties. Then definitely it will be get according to my requirement. So dot container, and then specified here within the para open braces and close braces machine should. Inside here I have to write display flex. What happened, this will be this column wise divs will be appear in the horizontal way. Now we got it right. Now what we do, there is a I have to write the text in the first div linear gradient, and second one radial gradient, and third one conic gradient. Okay, now what happened, you can observe there each and every linear gradient and conic gradient and or radial gradient will be appear respective to the div tags. So what I do, I want to hear this linear gradient and this text of the div, which will be comes middle of the div, which which looks good, right? So then increase the font size 25 pixel. So why we use basically this linear gradient, radial gradient, and uses conic gradient? Because of backgrounds for web pages, banners, and headers. Okay, suppose you want to styling the buttons with modern, okay, adding smooth colors, blends, or chords or sections. Okay, all these things for website purpose only we are using this. Now you will get it right. So this is the way we will be finding the applying the gradient colors. I just want to give them align justify content center. You have to give, definitely it will be, the text will be moved to the center of the block. This is the way we are going to apply the colors, gradient colors. So for more videos, please like, subscribe for my efforts. You you can just click my efforts. It's really, I humble request you, please, before leaving this video, please like this and share to this video to your friends. Now see, it's a beautifully arranged central. Thank you so much for your time.